Okay, time for math. Time for math. My name is Teacher Gwapo. So all the lessons that we have, if you want to search or if you want to review, just search my name in YouTube channel. Okay, just search one Teacher Gwapo. Okay, just write Teacher Gwapo in YouTube channel, and then you can review all the lessons that we have. Okay, all the lessons. If you want to learn again, if you want to learn more, you can watch in my YouTube channel, Teacher Gwapo. Okay, just write Teacher Gwapo in YouTube. Okay, now these are the books that we are using, textbook and workbook, and these are the chapters that we have done already. And now we are in chapter 10, which is about measuring length. Okay, measuring length. Now for this morning, our objectives are to compare height and length, to measure length of objects, and we be able to apply this in our daily lives. Chapter 10, about length. So these are the words that we must always remember. It's very important. Everybody, let us read all together. Ready, go. Long. Again, please. Everybody. Longer. Next. Longest. Long as. Thank you so much. So these are the words. Don't forget these words, okay? Long, longer, longest. Yao, yao hua, yao, ที่สุด. Tall, taller, tallest. สูง สูงกว่า สูงที่สุด. Short, shorter, shortest. สั้น สั้นกว่า สั้นที่สุด. เตี้ย เตี้ยกว่า เตี้ยที่สุด. As tall as สูงเท่ากัน. As long as ยาวเท่ากัน. Okay? Now here, length, measuring length. So measuring length, we can measure length using objects, and we will also measure the distance, okay? The distance between one object to the other objects. So everybody, it's a quick review about this. Here, the length of the nail is 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units, right? Here, the length of the bamboo. How long is the bamboo? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units, right? Here, the length of the belt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is equals to 6 units, right? Here, the length of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length of the chain is 5 units. It's easy, right? Here, what is the longest object here? Longest, longest. So the longest object here is rope, okay? Rope is the longest object. And what is the shortest? Shortest, shortest object here is eraser. 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 Very good. And the object which is as long as, the same length, as long as with a pen, it's
Pen.
Pen. Pencil and pen have the same length, okay? As long as the pencil is pen, the same with pen. Now here the rope is longer, the nail by 2 units. And the eraser is shorter than the pencil by
2
units.
2
Okay. Here, what is the shortest? Because we will arrange these items from the shortest to
Twin.
the longest. Everybody, what's the first one?
Twig. Twig.
Good. Twig. What's next to the twig? Huh? Oh, very good. Rope next. Very good. It's rope. Now here, Now, here we will fill in the blanks, okay? We will fill in the blanks. Now, here we go. There are 4 pencils, right? Pencil A, pencil B, and pencil C. Now, blank is shorter than pencil D, shorter than pencil D. What pencil? Pencil C. Okay, pencil C. And which pencil is longer than pencil A is longer than what pencil? Pencil A is longer than pencil. This is pencil A, right? So pencil A is longer by yao qua. Okay, yao qua, longer than. So longer than pencil D and pencil C. Pencil C and pencil D, or pencil D and pencil C. Okay, so letter A. Pencil A is longer, yao qua. And what is the longest pencil? Pilot, what is the longest pencil here, Pilot? Yao, longest. What pencil?
Pencil B.
Very good. Thank you, Pilot. So here, Pilot says that the longest pencil is pencil B. Very good job. Thank you. Now here, we will fill in the blanks using this unit. Okay, this serves as 1 unit. Now you can see here that the pen is 4 units long, right? Here, 4 units long. Now here, the toothbrush. How long is the toothbrush? How long is the toothbrush? The toothbrush is 5 units long. 5 units long. And here, the screwdriver. How long is the screwdriver? How long is the screwdriver? The screwdriver is 5 units. How about the tube light? The tube light. How long is the tube light? The tube light is 6 units long. Okay, 6 units. Now here, the lamp. We will compare the lamp. Lamp A. But before we compare, let us measure first the height or the number of units of this lamp. So lamp A. Okay, lamp A is equals to 2 units. Lamp B, 3. Lamp C, 1. Very good. Now lamp A is blank unit taller than lamp C. How many units? 1. Lamp C is how many units shorter than lamp A? 1, the same. So lamp B is also 1 unit taller than lamp A. Okay. Now we will order the heights of lamp from the tallest to the shortest. Tallest แปลว่าอะไรครับ
สูงกว่า
tallest สูงที่ สูงที่สุด tallest. Now what is the tallest lamp here? It's lamp B. Next is lamp A. And the shortest is, what is the shortest lamp here? Lamp C. C, because only 1 unit. Okay. Now here, straw A, straw B, and straw C. Now how long is straw A? How many units?
5 units.
Very good. Straw B. How about straw B?
9 units.
9 units. And straw C is 10 units.
10 units.
10 units. Now here, Alice, what is the longest straw? Longest straw ยาวที่สุด straw longest ยาวที่สุดครับ longest straw C, very good. Straw C. And what is the shortest straw? Shortest สั้นที่สุด straw A. Straw A. Thank you, very good. Now strawberry is shorter than straw C. Straw C. Now straw A is blank unit shorter than straw C. How many units? Huh?
5
Letter B. Letter B. Letter B. Straw B is blank longer than straw A.
Yes.
Very good. 4. Now here we'll measure. Okay, we will measure the distance. Okay, we will measure the distance or distances between two objects. Now here you can see the example. The distance between the building. This is the building and the flagpole. So this is the building. This is the flagpole. So how many units? So 1 block is equals to 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3. That's why you can see here 3. Okay, 3 units. Okay, now here, let us proceed here. The next one. Now here, what is the distance between the two electric poles? Two electric poles. Okay, what is the distance between the two electric poles? 4 units. Now here, this one, letter B. Letter B.
2 units.
Between the house and the tree is 2 units. So 1, 2. Here, how about the 2 trees? What's the distance of 2 trees? 1, 2,
4 units.
4 units.
4. Very good.
4 units.
4 units.
Very good. Very good. Now here, let's compare here. This one is the boy, the bench, the ball, the tree, and what is this? Lamp post. Okay, lamp post. Again, boy, bench, tree, lamp post, and the ball. Now here, let us compare the distance between the tree and the bench. What is the distance of the tree and the bench? Tree and bench. How many units? 3 bench. Okay, 3 units. How about the boy and the ball? The boy and the ball. How many units?
4 units.
Very good.
4 units.
Units. How about here? The lamp post and the tree. Lamp post and the tree. Lamp post and the tree. It's 3 units. Okay, here you can count here. 1, 2, 3. So lamp post to the tree is 3 units. Okay, 3 units. Now here, what is or which is closer to the boy? This is the boy. Closer to the boy. We will compare the bench and the ball. Closer to the boy, nearest to the boy. The answer here is the bench because only 3 units. So the answer here is bench. Bench is closer to the boy. Okay, bench. Now here, which two distances are equal? Two distances are equal, the same. Okay, so two distances is the boy to the ball and ball to the lamp post because there are only 2. Do not use the other because there are 3. So only the boy to the ball and ball to the lamp post. So the answer in letter E is boy and the ball and the lamp post. Okay. Okay, so thank you. I hope everybody's ready now. Let's proceed to the next one. Here we are. So here we will choose the objects of your own choice. Your own choice, but I will show you some example, some objects that you can measure too. Okay, so choose objects of your own choice and measure them using non-standard units. Okay, using non-standard units. So the non-standard units that I chose here that I'm going to use is tablespoon. Okay, a tablespoon. Teacher Gwapo will use a tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon is equals to 2 units. Okay, 1 tablespoon is equals to 2 units. Okay, 1 tablespoon again is equals to 2 units. So if I will measure 2 spoon is equals to 4, right? If I use 2, it's equals to 4. If there are 3 tablespoons, it's equals to 6. Okay, it's equals to 6, right? 1 tablespoon is equals to 2 units. 2 tablespoons, 4 units. 3 tablespoons, 6 units. Okay, go. Now let's try. Let's see, for example, these are the objects that we will measure. Okay, we have here the table, we have here the chair. These are the objects that are visible in your house. Okay, you can see this in your house. So we have a table, we have a chair, we have a bed. I'm sure everybody has it, right? Everybody has it. And the door and the window. A house must have a table, a chair, a bed, door, and window. Okay. Okay. Table, chair, bed, door, and window. Now, what are we going to measure on the table? We will measure the length of the table. When we say length, length แปลว่าอะไรครับ length แปลว่าอะไร length แปลว่าความยาว okay, how long is the table? Okay,ความยาว how long is the table? We will measure the length of the table using a tablespoon. Okay, using a tablespoon. Now we will measure how long is the table using a tablespoon. Okay, now for the chair, we will measure the height of the chair. Okay, height. When we say height, height แปลว่าอะไรครับ height แปลว่าอะไร ความสูง height ความสูง okay, length ความยาว height ความสูง okay, we will measure the height of the chair. How high is your chair? How long is your table? Okay, for the bed, we will measure the length of your bed. Okay, length. And for the door, we will measure the height of your door. And for the window, the width of your window. Okay. Okay, now we will measure the length of, what's the first one? The table. Okay, the table. Now let's say, for example, this is the table. This is teacher Gwapo's table. Okay, this is my table. Now you have the table too in your house, right? Now we will measure the table. Now, Satang, you can follow me. Okay, you can follow me. Now teacher Gwapo will measure his table first. Okay, so I will do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tablespoon. Okay. How about Satang? Go Satang. How about you? Measure your table there in your house. Okay. Now teacher Gwapo here I have 12 units. The length of my table is equals to 12 units. Now here I will write here number 12 units, right? Now here for my chair, this is my chair. Now I will measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this equals to 2, 2, 2. So mine is equals to 10 units. So teacher Gwapo's chair is equals to 10 units. Since teacher Gwapo here I have here 10 units, so I will write here number 10. Okay, teacher Gwapo is 10. But for play will write here 8 only. Okay, for play is only 8 because he measured his chair as 10 units. Now here, next one, my bed. This is my bed. This is my bed. So I will measure 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7. So that is 2, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So how many units? 14 units. Teacher Guapo's bed is 14 units. Now you can measure it later, okay? You can measure your bed later after this one because your bed is in the other room, right? Okay, next. Here, I will write here 14 because I have the length of my bed is 14 units. So I write here 14. Now here,
ที่นี่เราไม่มีเตียง
door. The door. Just measure your bed later, okay? Just measure it later. Later. Now here, the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So what? How high is my door? The height of the door is here. Mine is 14 units. So I will write here 14. Okay. Mine is 14. Now my window. My window. My window here. So I will measure now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Teacher Guapo has the length of my window or the width of my window is 10 tablespoons. So since it's 10 tablespoons, so I write here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so I will just count here plus 2 because 1 tablespoon is equals to 2 units. So how many units altogether? My window is 10 units wide. Okay, the width of my window is 10 units, 20 units, not 10, 20 units. So I write here 20 units, 20. Okay, so teacher Guapo will write here 20 units. Okay. Okay, allow me to record. So for your homework, now here before I will tell you your homework, please tick this one. If you know the height of the object, the length of the object, you know how to measure the heights and the length, so you tick. Okay, you tick them. Now for your homework, this is for your homework. Example, you will measure the length of your foot using a paper clips. Okay, and then you will measure how many paper clips do you need. Write them below. Just like this. Okay, this is only an example. Okay, thank you. That's it for today. This is your homework. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. God bless.
Bye, teacher. See you next time.
See you next week.